Hi guys, me again. If you watch my October MINTD box, you know that I'm gonna film the November one. So as I mentioned, if you haven't watched my October one, I received both October and November 1 week apart due to October being delayed. However, this video is definitely for the November box, so if you want to watch the October box, look for my October video, which I'll link in the description below. So what I'll do is I'll just go through the November box. So just like the October box, it comes in a really nice sturdy box that says MINTD at the front. You open it and again they give you an information pamphlet which will outline the cost and what the product is and how to use it, which I love. So this is the only subscription box that I found that is really worth your money, apart from BoxyCharm, which I have not received yet. I'm going to cancel LumiBox because I definitely don't think it's worth my money, and the first month, which is last month, is going to be my last and first month of getting it, which I'll cancel it probably after. Well, maybe I'll leave it for December. Maybe December got good stuff. But yeah, this box definitely worth it. So it is €70. 70 euro a month, which is a very expensive subscription box, probably one of the most expensive subscription box out in the market at the moment. And they'll guarantee you up to €149 worth of products, I think. Correct, I might be wrong, I've gone to the website to check it. It might be guaranteed more, but so far I definitely guarantee more. And because I live in Australia, and including conversion rate, shipping as well, it costs me $149 per month including shipping, and I think that's still an amazing price. Obviously if I didn't pay for shipping, it'll be even a better price, but I have to pay for shipping. But I'm still planning to get it, and I'll probably have to subscribe myself back up to it in the next couple of days before the 30th here. So this pamphlet, here it is. So this month is the Rehydrate series. So each month they have a theme. Just keep in mind that Australia is summer, however in Europe it's winter. That's why the theme might be a bit weird to you guys in Australia, but Rehydrate is because in winter people usually have the skin dried. That's why we have the Rehydrate, but this is all year round for me. I like to hydrate my skin all the time. So again, it comes in a really pretty packaging with paper. Again, I mentioned that every time I open this box it smells amazing, and they feature the most amazing brands. So this is what the box looks like. It looks like there's 3 products in here. Is it 3? It looks like there's 3 products in here, but there's actually 4 because one's underneath here. So these are the products you get. You get 4 to 5 products a month, and it will be a mixture between usually full-size products, at least 2 to 3 full-size products, and then travel size. So I'll go through this one by one. I'll go through the first one, which is the main feature product. So this is, I haven't even opened that for my bubble wrap. Sorry guys, again. Oh, this is a very nice bottle. Oh wow, this concrete kind of. So this is the Irene Forte. See it there? Look how nice it looks. This is a full size. Oh no, so this is a deluxe size, deluxe travel size. So it's quite big. It's actually quite big. And this is 30 mils. And even, I know why they give you deluxe size. I wouldn't give you guys full size either if it was a business. For a deluxe travel size, it is €88. So that's like, I've got a calculator here. This is 120 Australian, but when I went on to Google to search it, they were selling it for like 160. So already I'm close to my box with just one product. So it's like, buy one product and get the rest for gift or purchase. But you see the other project that you look amazing. So this is the Irene Forte. This is hibiscus night cream, and it reduces the effects of overnight water loss and rejuvenates the skin's moisture and barrier. So you apply on the face and the neck, smooth it in a circular upward motion, use in the evening. So how good is this? Oh, this, if you guys haven't actually touched this, I'm not sure if it's all their brand like this, but it is like, it's actually concrete. I'll give you a bit up close. So that's the first one. The second one I want to go through is one of my favorite brands, but I never buy it. It's a full, I'm pretty sure this is a full, yep, it's a full size. So again, it's Omorovitska, which was featured last month as well. So this is the Youthful Hand Cream. So this is a full size and it costs $60. This brand is really good. It's an antioxidant rich hand cream, soothes, softens and shields from environmental aggressors. So it's a hand cream, it's 75 ml and it's a full size. Let's have a look what it looks like. Wow, I love this brand, guys. Very expensive brand. Let me snap this up open. Let me check whether or not there's a seal on. There's a seal on it. I don't want to open hand cream if there's a seal on it, because once you open it, I think it's faster for the smell and helpful ingredients to disappear. So I'll keep these. And guys, seriously, like, Christmas is coming, and if you don't know what to give people, you can give them this and they'll be like, this is a generous gift. But yeah, so if you don't use any products, you can give it as gifts. That's what I'm planning to, but I'm not giving any of my products as gifts this Christmas. I love all of them, so it's all mine. That's the second product. The third product I want to go through, this is why I said this is apparently good, is the hydrating mask. I've never heard of this brand, I've never used it, but apparently it's really good. So it's the Skin Frosting Deeply Hydrating Mask, and it's made in UK. It's cruelty and vegan free. Cruelty and it's vegan, safe for vegans as well. It's 100 mils, it's a full size, and it's 36 euros. I checked it in Australia website, so it's about $80 to $90. So this one, you apply a thick layer to cleanse dry skin, relax for 15 to 20 minutes, wipe off excess with warm washcloth or damp towel, no need to rinse. Okay, so this is one of the things I said I don't like doing, but because it doesn't require splashing water on my face, maybe it's a bit better, is to put products on my face and I take it off. So it is a mask. So it looks, on the, see the little dots? When I first saw this photo on the site, I thought there's something wrong with the photo, but it's actually little dots. So how good, it's a really thick, big, like thing, big product. I like it. So I'm definitely going to give this a go. So this is 36 euro, which is about 70 to 80 Australian dollars. It has raw coconut oil, cocoa butter, shea butter, and converted Japanese Tsubaki, which is a Camilla oil. Okay. Sorry guys, I told you I'm really bad at pronouncing, but that's another product. Then this other product, this is the most expensive product out of the whole thing, is a odacite. I don't know how to pronounce this. Odacite, sorry. It's an Odacite Pure Elements, and it is a serum. So it's a watermelon and hibiscus crystal infused hydration serum. That sounds amazing, actually. Oh wow. So it is sorry, I'm just serum, watermelon, hibiscus infused. So this is what I think this might be the main one. So it's to hydrate your skin during winter. As I mentioned, Europe is in winter now. We're in summer, but I still use this for sure. So what you do is for softer supply. So this is for softer supply skin massage, a little oxidate serum whenever your face feels dry. So you can do it whenever you feel throughout the day. And how to use it is massages wherever your skin needs hydration support. So I'm assuming this is for your face, but it might be okay for your body too. Can someone tell me if you used this before? So this is 95 euro. So it is very expensive, which equates to 200. I think when I went online to check, it was like $230 Australian. It is ridiculous price. I'm opening it on the bottom because I don't want to open the top, just in case I want to give it away as a present. I'm opening it weirdly. So it comes in a bottle like this. Yep. And yeah, definitely. So this is a full size, 95, so very expensive. So altogether, when I actually went online to search it up to buy it, not using the MINTD website, because even if you buy it on MINTD, you still have to remember you still have to pay for shipping. So it is not like a ship-free thing. You have to pay for shipping still. So when I calculate, it actually cost like over 500 Australian. I'm not sure why the price is different, but I search and even put in the cheapest one, it's 500 Australian. So guys, that's it. So I'll go through the products I got again. So I got the product that they sneak peek last month. It was Irene Forte, and this is the Intense, what is this again, sorry? This is how much products I got, I don't remember. This is the, Irene Forte. This is a hibiscus night cream. So this is really nice. You can use it during the evening with your other skin, just add it into your other skincare routine. And this is a deluxe size, $88. Then I mentioned my favorite Vitska hand cream full size, and this is $60. So already this product is like pretty much covers for your entire box already. And then we've got the mask. This is the one that you wipe off, and this is 36 euro, which is about $70 to $80. And then last but not least, the most expensive product, we've got the Oxidite Pure Elements, and this is the hydration serum, and this is $95. So guys, that's all the products. I hope you enjoy. Again, I'm sorry about my pronunciation, but I am highly recommending MINTD boxes. Highly. I'll get them monthly. If you don't want to get them monthly, get them fortnightly. But remember, each month will vary and you'll never get the same. Oh, maybe, I think there was one month I've seen that was the same product in one of the previous boxes, but it was just the aromatherapy oil, and that will go past and I'll use it again. Good thing is that you'll get repeat products that you want to use again instead of going out to buy, because the thing is that you try a product at a cheap price and then you go out to buy it. Good thing with this is if they do give you the same product, you don't have to go out and buy an expensive price because it's covered in your 70 euro or 150 Australian. So that's it, guys. I finally finished my MINTD box opening. I think I got the Cult Beauty haul and best of 2021 to go through, which is going to take me forever, but I have to try and get through it. Okay, hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you like these videos. Please like and subscribe to my channel and like my videos, please. I am trying to grow the channel. I know my unboxing videos are not 100% great, but I'm learning and I'm trying to get better, and obviously if I can find a better place, I'll set it up better as well. But give me any suggestions if you want, or if you have another subscription box that you want me to subscribe to, let me know and I'll see whether or not I can ship it to Australia. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.